Here's how to use Basecamp for beginners. Hey everyone and welcome. If you're just starting out with Basecamp or whether you're considering moving to Basecamp instead of other applications that do the same thing, this video is going to be for you. I'll show you how to set things up, how to get started with it, and everything along the way of just, getting started with Basecamp. So let's actually get started and jump into the video. So Basecamp is basically all in all a place that includes so many tools for project management, live chat, storage, a lot of things. And I will show you in a sec what I mean, because it's just a platform that has pretty much everything you need when it comes to project management for your team and yourself. So let's get to actually signing up and getting started. You will need to go to basecamp.com, like you see on the screen over here. And then we just go ahead and click on pricing and sign up. I will obviously talk about the pricing a little bit, and then, we will go from there. Now, it does have a 30-day free trial that you can try it with, so you can, test the waters before you jump into paying anything. So you can, test things out for yourself and for your team. And if you like it, you can then upgrade to whether it's the one for the freelancers or the one for the big teams. Now they only have these two plans. So the Basecamp normal, not pro, it is going to be $15 per user per month, and it's going to give you all the necessities and everything you need pretty much for a small team. Like the storage is going to be 500 gigabytes, whereas the Pro Unlimited is going to be 5 tera, because this is going to be more focused towards large organizations instead of freelancers or small companies. So it really is going to depend on how many people you have with you. If it's going to be like a few, then the normal one should be more than enough. And by the way, guests are for free. So if you want to showcase clients how their progress for their work is going, they can see and view things for free. But users that are going to be active within the Basecamp, they are going to have to be accounted for, which is $15 per user per month. And then we've got the Pro Unlimited, which is going to be more focused for large organizations. Like I said, it's going to be $300 a month, which is very considerable with all of the things that you'll be getting. And by the way, you'll be getting pretty much everything. It's just, things that are going to be different, like the amount of storage and things like first in line 24/7 priority kind of stuff. But all the other features should be within the Basecamp. And they also show you why you should go for it, because you can see you can replace a lot of applications that do like separate things. And if you just calculate everything, they will show you around it's $600 a month for just 20 users when you want to use all of these applications. But if you use Basecamp, you will get all of these things: live messages, real-time chat, to-do lists, card table, schedules, and a lot of stuff, which I will obviously dive into in a sec. So let's actually go ahead and sign up, and I will show you what we can do after we sign up. So be right back. So you should find yourself within a similar page once you sign up. It's very easy to sign up. Just, email, name, that kind of stuff. Nothing too crazy. So in here is going to be the main dashboard, which is the home place here, which is going to just show you recently viewed your projects in here, and also your assignments and schedule if you have anything in here. So just overall a summary of what you have to do, which you can also find within my stuff on the top right. You can find my assignments, my bookmarks, and so on. So this is going to be the stuff where you will be managing things that are assigned to yourself. Find is just a tool that helps you locate a specific thing, whether it's a to-do, activity, project, whatever it may be. And then we've got activity, which you can see the latest activities done by people or yourself or someone else, things like that. So all the recent activities are going to be in here. Hey is going to be your notifications. It's very simple. And then pings are going to be private chats with people. So it's going to be just between you and one more person. And then we've got lineup. Lineup is just going to show you everything within a timeline sort of view. It's going to make things a little bit, all in front of you, basically, which is very, very useful. So let's actually get started and talk about what you can do. The first thing you will obviously need to do is invite people. Now, you can choose what kind of person you want to invite, whether it's going to be someone who works with you within the project, or something like a outside collab, things like that, or a client that you are going to showcase, like what is being done with their project right now, the progress, if they want to monitor. So after you invite people, and you can, by the way, invite people to specific projects instead of overall the entire workspace. So let's actually make a new project. Let's just call it tutorial, and we don't really need a description. And if you want to set a schedule to start things off, you can do so. But let's choose the tools. I'm going to turn everything on, just so I can showcase all the tools that are going to be included. But you can turn on or off any of them. So message board is going to be announcements. So if you're in charge, you can put in announcements in there, and people can just jump into message board and see what's going on, basically. To-dos is going to be a task list that you can just check off once you are done with the task. Docs and files is docs and files. You just upload files in there, which the rest of the people can see and view and download. Chat is going to be a live chat option, which is very, very nice. Schedule is going to be a calendar kind of view where you can schedule a specific task within a specific date, not necessarily a task. It can be a anniversary or something like that, that you want people to keep in mind. You can use schedule for that. And then card table, it's, if you're familiar with programs like Trello or something, it's just going to show you cards that are like in progress, done, processing, that kind of stuff. It's just stages within for a specific task. And then you can choose who you want to have in this project. You can make it invites only, or you can change it to be all access. Like I said, you can invite specific people to specific projects rather than overall the workspace. Let's make it invite only, or just anyone, because I'm not going to be inviting anyone. I'm just going to showcase things. So let me just create it, and here's going to be the view within each project. You will get again the message board, which is going to be the announcement place, or you can just create a new message, and it's just going to be welcome everyone to this new project. Okay, this is the title. My bad. Okay, so new project. Okay, so it's just an announcement. So you can just post this message, and it's going to be there for everyone to see. Okay, so this is going to be for the message board. So let's go back to our project, and we will go to to-dos. So here you can see already the message board is showing the messages that are in there, the most recent ones. And then we've got to-dos. Here you're going to be able to just create as many tasks as you want. So you can create a list, and let's just give it a name. Let's just do editing. Okay, and then we add extra details to what they are going to be doing. So intro maybe, and then add this list, and then we will describe this. Apparently this was only a description. This should have the intro, and then we can just add it, and you can assign it to a person, and you can notify someone else when it's done, or the same person. And you can also set a due date if you want, and also add extra notes. So you can add as many as you want. So this is going to be video, and then let's add this, And this I want to assign it to a specific person. So I say I want to also have the outro, and this is going to be assigned to name, so my name. And then when it's done, notify this person, which you can obviously change. And then if you want a due date, you can choose a due date. Let's not. And then we can obviously choose a specific day, or runs for multiple days, or just no due date. And if you want to add extra notes, make it, I don't know, great. And then add this. And this is going to be the first one. So if we just, let me just cancel out of this and we should be good. Okay, so people now, if they go to to-dos, they should find editing, and then you should find all three of them: intro, video, and outro. Let's say intro is done, they can just check it off, and same goes for the rest. And you can obviously create more lists rather than just editing. So you can add a new list with a new whole different thing, like script writing, and then add this to list. This is details again, so add this and you can add all the details. So again, intro maybe assigned to myself, and let's just keep it at 1 for 1. Okay, so let's go back. To-dos, you can see script writing and editing is going to be separate. So this is basically the to-dos part. Next, we've got docs and files, which you can obviously upload docs and files, and people just can be, they will be able to basically see it, upload, download it, all of those things. Chat is going to be a live chat options, or option I should say, where you can upload things, emojis, all. It's just a live chat place where you can, talk with your team members. Very simple. And then schedule, like I said, if you want to have a schedule thing, like for example here, we add an event, and then we say all day, sure, and then it starts in and then ends on, and then repeat if you want. Maybe it's a yearly thing, you can do so. And with all the others, if you want, you can add as many people as you want in here, and then you can add notes if you also want. So it's just a calendar thing where you can add stuff, and you can also have them on repeat. And then card table is going to be, like I said, figuring things out. You can add things to it, in progress, and you can also add more items in here. And you can just, click on this, and then let's just make, so in progress was there, maybe done. And if you want a description for it, you can also add it over here. And you can, recolor things, add card to it, and then you give it a title, assign card, and so on. It's just like, like a lot of other project management applications. So you can assign tasks within each one in here. Let's see. So I think this is it. So this is mainly it. And if you go back, you get also admin land, if you see on the top right. Obviously, after you set things up, you like profile and things like that, you can go to admin land and you can add things, a lot of things here, like add or remove people, or change their access, add or remove admins, and so on. You've got a lot of options here to work with if you've got the admin. And again, you got plenty of things to do, but this is basically it. Whatever project you go to, you just click on the project, and then you should find all of these tabs: docs and files, card table, schedule, chat, message board, or to-dos, and things like that. And then underneath you will see the activities that are being worked on. So Basecamp is a very, very, oh yeah, I forgot that you can actually download for Windows and mainly for mobile. So this is going to help you a lot to catch up on real projects instead of you always needing to go to your computer. So I hope this video helped you out getting started with Basecamp. It's very, very, very like amazing when it comes to project management. It has pretty much everything you would ask for. And I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.